Hidden beneath these remote mountains lies a mystery that has captivated humanity for centuries. Imagine a leader so powerful, so enigmatic, that he commanded the vastest empire the world had ever known and left behind secrets even in his death. This is the story of Genghis Khan, the conqueror who shaped history and whose final resting place was veiled in secrecy for nearly 800 years. Today, it's said that we may have finally found his tomb, and the secrets it holds could challenge everything we know. In the 13th century, Genghis Khan's empire stretched from the heart of Asia to the edges of Europe. Historians estimate that his campaigns resulted in the deaths of up to 10% of the world's population. But it wasn't just his military might that made him legendary. Genghis Khan's rule left an imprint on history, the environment, and even the Earth's climate. In his lifetime, he was both feared and revered, a force of nature unto himself. Some historians believe that the drastic reduction in human activity due to his conquests may have impacted the Earth's carbon footprint. Entire forests regrew over abandoned cities, and the Mongols' environmental impact was so profound that it left a measurable footprint in our atmosphere. But, as powerful as he was in life, Genghis Khan's death remains an unsolved riddle, one cloaked in secrecy and superstition. Legend has it that Genghis Khan's burial was unlike any other. According to ancient texts, he demanded absolute secrecy about his resting place. Soldiers, slaves, and workers involved in the burial were reportedly executed to keep its location hidden. Some tales even claim that rivers were diverted over the grave to erase all evidence, and that the site was trampled by thousands of horses to obliterate any trace. Over time, the tomb itself became a myth, its location lost in the mists of time, shrouded in layers of reverence and fear. For centuries, archaeologists and adventurers have sought Genghis Khan's tomb, but all efforts were in vain. Every attempt to locate it, using everything from ancient texts to satellite imaging, failed to reveal even a trace. But now, in a stunning twist, scientists believe they may have finally uncovered it. A routine expedition near Bakon Khaldun, a mountain sacred to Genghis Khan, led to an unexpected discovery. Scientists were initially studying ancient climate patterns by analyzing soil samples, a mission unrelated to the search for Genghis Khan. But as they probed deeper into the earth, they began to notice something strange. Ground-penetrating radar revealed patterns in the soil that hinted at a man-made formation. Could this be the long-lost tomb of the Great Khan? Working alongside Mongolian officials, scientists carefully began excavating what they suspected might be the burial site. What they found was unlike anything they had imagined. The tomb was filled with intricate artifacts, weapons adorned with gemstones, ceremonial armor crafted with precision, scrolls that had withstood the ravages of time. But that was only the beginning. The deeper they dug, the stranger the findings became. Among the artifacts were objects crafted from metals unknown to modern science, some that seemed to defy explanation. The most puzzling of these objects were mechanical devices that no one could understand. They appeared ancient, yet their construction hinted at a level of sophistication that seemed out of place in the 13th century. Even more astonishing were stones that emitted a faint, eerie glow. When electronic devices were brought near these stones, they malfunctioned. Scientists struggled to explain what they were seeing. Were these artifacts remnants of ancient Mongolian craftsmanship, or could they be evidence of something more? Perhaps knowledge that has been lost to time, or connections that reach beyond our understanding? As they explored further, archaeologists came upon an ancient parchment. At first glance, it appeared to be a map. But it depicted landforms and celestial bodies that did not match any known geography. Was it possible that Genghis Khan or his followers had knowledge of lands and stars that remain unknown to us? This map alone was a monumental discovery. If genuine, it could suggest that Genghis Khan possessed knowledge or beliefs far ahead of his time. But how could this be? And what were the implications of such a find? The scientists then turned their attention to human remains found within the tomb. DNA analysis provided a surprising twist. Although millions around the world can trace their lineage back to Genghis Khan, the genetic markers here didn't align with any known lineage. This raised more questions than answers. Could it be that the history we know about Genghis Khan and his bloodline is incomplete? Or was there something unique, even otherworldly, about the conqueror's ancestry? As historians, scientists, and linguists study the tomb's contents, they uncovered ritual items placed with precision, ceremonial daggers arranged in geometric patterns, containers holding unidentified organic compounds, and inscriptions that appeared to reference cosmic events. It seemed as if these items were deliberately arranged to convey something